Sharkey's pit was originally mined during the early 1990s, prior to the modern sulphide mining that we see at Fosterville Gold Mine today. Following the completion of mining Sharkey's pit, roughly a third of the pit was partially backfilled to ensure we could reinstate Campaspe Road for the local community. We are now backfilling the remaining void.
The open pit there's about 820,000 cubic metres of void, and we're filling the pit from previous overburden that's been taken out of Sharkey's pit and also to Robbins Hill. We chose Yellow Iron Fleet as the contractor for the project. We've not worked with Yellow Iron Fleet before. They're a local company and they've performed exceptionally well.
Yellow Iron Fleet commenced operations here at the Sharkey's pit project in May 2024. We're providing all the machinery, the ancillary equipment, the workshop facilities, office facilities, and most importantly our people. We had the pleasure of meeting the Sharkey family. They came to site for a day with across 3 generations, and it was terrific to learn a bit more about their history, their association with the land.
The backfilling of Sharkey's pit was a significant investment, but it's something really positive where we can give back to the community, restore land that is on private property, and continually improve the environment surrounding the mine.
Fosterville Gold Mine has a detailed rehabilitation plan which outlines its rehabilitation objectives and the objectives in relation to mine closure. Fosterville endeavours to rehabilitate areas of the mine site which are no longer used through progressive rehabilitation activities.
Since Fosterville began mining in 2004, we have progressively rehabilitated areas of the site, including working on over 100 rehabilitation projects. These include McCormick's waste rock dump and the raised pit rehabilitation and backfilling project, which was completed in 2021. Throughout these projects, Fosterville has planted over 60,000 trees and 500 kilograms of native seed, which is consistent with the box iron bark EBC of this area.
Fosterville holds a rehabilitation bond for Min 5404, their mining licence. The rehab bond covers all costs associated with rehabilitating the site and providing a safe, stable and non-polluting land use at closure. The bond is also updated for when new infrastructure or new facilities are built.
The Sharkey's project has involved multiple personnel from Fosterville and multiple contractors. We've had the environment team providing guidance and direction as to what the end result needs to be and what vegetation we can and can't clear, final landform shapes and how we're to hand the project back to the landholder.
During the planning phases and throughout the whole duration of this project, we've continually engaged with the private landholders, keeping them updated as to where we are in the schedule and also including them in the final landform designs. We've also kept our local community updated through our community newsletter, our community website, social media posts and letter drops.
It's certainly been a multifaceted project that quite a lot of people have been involved with, and everyone should be quite proud of themselves with what we've achieved here.